Are you willing to get a girlfriend? Or maybe you have the girl you like, but you are looking for her to know if she really like you. If this is the case, then you click on the right video. But before that, make sure to subscribe to get more videos like this. Almost half of honest girls always like honest men. So being helpful will make you find the perfect girlfriend. And don't only help the girl you like, because maybe the woman you help will be the mother of the girl you like. So being helpful will help you get the perfect girlfriend that loves you for who you are. Working on your presentation always helps, because girls like handsome and cute men. So try bathing regularly and brush your teeth twice a day. And also to look as handsome as you could, and always wear your best clothes and iron it very well to impress the girl you like. Because girls won't fall in love with someone who does not brush his teeth twice a day and does not bath regularly. Most of us men find it difficult to talk to women, but it's not as hard as it seems. So just go to her and start talking to her. Make sure you say funny things too. If she did not smile, then she is not the right girl for you. And notice, if you find a waitress or someone selling coffee, don't try to ask her out, because it is his job to smile to you so that you can be his customer. And when you ask a girl out and the girl rejects you, just smile to her back and then walk away. Practicing your approach. Practicing your approach also helps. It helps you know more about girls and how they are. This means you have to talk to as many women as you could to find the perfect one that suits you. And if you find an interested woman, just go to her and talk to her. And if you don't know what to say to her, just ask her about herself and ask her that does she have a boyfriend, and also ask her about his age and find more about her. And if she feels uncomfortable talking to you, that means she's not the right girl for you. So just be yourself and start moving to find the perfect girl that loves you. Never make excuses to do nothing. If you really want to find the perfect girlfriend, never be alone. Just have fun with your friends. Always have fun so that they will know you exist. And always hang up with friends. And even when your family is going for a road trip, make sure to join them. Maybe you find the right girlfriend there. Or maybe when your friend invites you to a party, make sure to join them. And never be alone if you want to find the right girlfriend. As 5. Be funny and never be a girl slave. Girls love entertainment, so try to the girl you like a joke. If she laughs at all of your jokes, even funny one and non-funny one, that means you are a lucky guy. So start now by going to the girl you like and just tell her a funny joke, and make sure that she laughs at all of your jokes. If you want to learn more funny jokes, you can learn more funny jokes on YouTube. Just type funny jokes to tell. And never be a girl slave. No matter how she is beautiful, never be a slave, because which girl will marry a slave? So never be a girl slave. Be yourself. Don't just pretend to be a millionaire, or maybe pretend to be someone you are not, because you want girls to love you for who you are. And it is better for a girl to see your real identity than your fake identity. So just be a man and be yourself. And when the girl you like discover your real identity and she still likes you, then she is the perfect girl for you.
Don't forget to subscribe to Bright World to learn more than you could imagine.